You've probably seen that tiny little plastic puck all over your social media feeds lately. It's everywhere. You see it in those cozy bedroom tours, the aesthetic dorm room setups, and every apartment reveal video on your phone. People are absolutely losing their minds over this mini projector. It costs less than $70. It fits in the palm of your hand. It promises a movie theater experience in your pocket. On paper, it sounds like a miracle of modern engineering. They tell you it has the latest wireless tech and a fancy remote you control by just waving your wrist around like a magic wand. It even rotates all the way around so you can beam movies onto your ceiling while you lie in bed. But I spent some time digging through the fine print and testing the actual hardware. What I found is a lot more interesting than the shiny listing wants you to believe. Let's talk about the big claim first. The box says it supports ultra high definition. Everyone thinks they're getting the sharpest picture possible for the price of a nice dinner. But there's a massive catch. This device can play a high quality file, sure, but its actual native resolution is much lower. It's essentially basic high definition from a decade ago. It takes that crisp signal and shoves it through a meat grinder until it fits its tiny lens. It's like a restaurant claiming they serve the world's best beef, but they only serve it to you after it's been turned into a fast food patty. Technically, the ingredients were there once, but the result isn't what you expected. Then, we have to talk about the brightness. The marketing team throws around some impressive sounding numbers, but in reality, this thing only puts out 200 lumens. To put that in perspective, experts say you need at least 2,000 or 3,000 lumens for a room with even a little bit of light. This isn't a gadget for your sunny living room. It's not going to work for a backyard movie night unless it's pitch black outside. Even the manual eventually admits it. Deep in the fine print, they tell you it needs a dark environment for the best quality. If you have any light coming through your curtains, the image just washes out into a gray blur. It's a classic case of being heavily mismarketed. If you want something for a pitch black bedroom to watch some cartoons before sleep, it actually does a decent job for the price. It's portable. It's cheap. The little air remote is actually kind of fun to use. But if you're expecting a true home cinema that rivals a massive television, you're going to be disappointed before the opening credits even finish. I'm not saying it's a total scam, but you have to know what you're actually buying. Most people are falling for the hype without checking the specs. My goal is always to see through the marketing fluff and tell you what's actually worth your hard-earned cash. We see so much expensive garbage these days that looks great in a 30-second clip, but falls apart the moment you actually turn it on. This little projector is a perfect example of that trend. It's a specialized tool for a very specific type of person. If you're that person who lives in a cave-like apartment with blackout curtains, you might love it. Everyone else should probably keep their $70 in their pocket. It pays to be skeptical. Don't let a glossy advertisement or a viral video talk you into a purchase that doesn't fit your life. I'd much rather you save your money for something that actually delivers. Keep asking the hard questions. I'll keep digging into these gadgets to find out which ones are gems and which ones are just expensive garbage.